just entered Traps Pond State Park. Supposedly one of the nicest places to kayak. I already see ducks and animals. Very calm day. Here's what it's famous for: the cypress trees. I was going to camp here, but I'm getting more done than I thought. So I'm actually camping at Killen's Pond, where I kayaked yesterday. And here's our ducks in the water. And very smooth, very nice. You have to go across the pond and then down into what they call a water trail, where they really have the cypress swamps, they say. So we'll see what the day brings us. So far, so good.
I was actually at a loss for words.
Amazing.
This was the greatest kayaking I've done. I've only been kayaking about 3 or 4 months, but this was just unbelievable. It is a lot even better than the video shows. If you have a chance, you definitely have to go there. Again, I was just at a loss for words. I was just amazed.
There we go. There's where we're hunting. Beautiful. Terrapin branch. Oh, unbelievable. Kayaking the Terrapin Branch at Trap Pond State Park. Supposedly some of the neatest kayaking you'll ever do through old cypress swamps. Unbelievable. The water is just green with algae. This loops back Beautiful experience. They have signs to take you through this waterway, which is really neat. See how you get turned around in here. Wow. I've been kayaking for about 4 months now, and this is by far the neatest kayaking I've ever done. It's another sign showing you the trail. Oh man. Wow. I know. Holy cow. Unbelievable. Another sign. Just goes on and on and on. water levels are down now. Took this back as far as you go. I thought it would bring you around, and maybe it does, but the water level's low, and it just stops. So you got to turn around and come back out, which isn't a problem because it's absolutely beautiful. I'm surprised there's not more bugs. Plan on spending 8 days down here. I've only spent 5. I thought the places were bigger than they are. I've been to 2 other state parks and got everything accomplished within a day's time, biking and kayaking. And the problem with these state parks, unlike in Pennsylvania where you're in the woods and you can hike and do a lot of things, they're nice state parks, but they're surrounded by real urban areas, so there's not a whole lot of places to go or ride. Like I could ride my dirt bikes up in the mountains, and here, as soon as you get out of the state park, you're in real urban areas with traffic. And nice little oasis away from all that. And I'm finding my way back out. That exercise with my shoulders are getting sore after 4 days of paddling.
You had to turn around. I made it back out, but what a great place and what a great day. Definitely have to go there. Thanks for watching.